Good Sunday morning. It's about 7 a.m. I just went and got my first actual pumpkin spice latte. It is Sunday. It's the first game of regular season for NFL, and I love watching the Carolina Panthers. And it's tradition that I always get my first PSL when we watch the first game. So I went and got that this morning real quick. I haven't drank any of it, and I have not had breakfast, so don't mind the morning voice. That tastes good. All right, so the plan today is I have friends coming over to watch the football game with me, just a couple of friends. So I am making chili in the crock pot. I've done this for the last couple of years. It's just really good. Normally I would be taking the dog for his walk, but it's really rainy and gloomy out, and I'm not going to bother with it today. So no walk today. But I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and get going on the chili because I want to get it in the crock pot and get that aside, and then I'll probably take my shower and get myself ready for the day. I will try to link the recipe I use down below. It was something I found on Pinterest, but I am modifying it a little bit because I bought that Kinder seasoning wood fire chili seasoning packet. So I want to try that and see if it's good. So we're going to try that out today. But let's get started on the chili by cutting up some onions and prepping some garlic because I got to do the beef in a skillet first before I put it all in the crock pot. So that's all done. I'm gonna let that sit in the crock pot on low until we're ready to eat because it probably won't be till after 1. But I'm gonna clean up my mess and then I'll probably take the dog outside one more time if it's not raining too hard. And then get my shower so I'm ready for the day because I still am gonna watch church. Let's get this mess cleaned up so I can shower. All right, freshly showered, put on my Panther t-shirt. I'm just not ready to wear the jersey yet. And then I did these little Panther earrings that a cousin or cousins of mine gave me for my birthday one year. So I feel like I'm a little all over the place but I'm trying to get so much done before my company shows up so I don't have to worry about anything else later for the rest of the day. My next step here, I'm going to quickly clean the kitchen because I did start a little laundry with the clothes and I want to be able to wash the towels shortly after so laundry's done before they get here. So I got to put away my cold coffees, wipe the counters and the stove down because I'm pretty much done cooking now. The chili's in the crock pot. The only thing I got to do is chop up jalapeno later, but that shouldn't make too much of a mess. Let me get this kitchen clean though, and then I'm going to take the dog outside so he can finally have his busy bone because he's been following me around waiting for it.
Right, so John has a vision. John sees Jesus face to face, but John gives us the order. He gives us the guardrails. Let me just give you the guardrails of prophecy, and we'll be safe if we stay in these guardrails. Verse 2, who bore witness. This is John speaking. He says, so I saw Jesus. I got this revelation. So if you say, I have a vision, I got a word from God. This is what John is saying. I bore witness. But he says, number 1, to the word of God. Number 2, to the testimony of Jesus Christ. And then number 3, even to all that he saw.
So I kind of pulled my hair back because it's kind of frizzy poofy today with the moisture outside. But we're going to check on the chili and stir that. And I'll just chill out until my friends get here. So for the chili toppings, I have jalapeno, sour cream, and some triple cheddar cheese. And then in these two, when I pull this out of the fridge when they get here, I'm going to put Fritos, and I have some mini club crackers just in case somebody wants that. So I'm going to put this in the fridge until they get here though, but I just wanted to have everything prepped. I did also put out plates, silverware, and some napkins. She is bringing mac and cheese with her. And then over here, I got out the bowls for the chili. I have tongs for the cheese, a little fork for the jalapenos, and a small spoon for the sour cream. And this will be, I'll put that tray thing over here so we can do like a chili bar. And then we'll have the mac and cheese over here, and then I'll get out dessert later. I'll show it when they get here. They're running a little late. I'm probably gonna start watching the game without them because it's on already. But that way it's all ready to go when they get here because we're all kind of hungry, but I've been waiting. obviously it's a lot later. The Panthers lost. At least it was a good game. The dogs pooped. I'm pooped. So we're going to call this the end of this vlog because I'm probably not going to do anything else for the rest of today but chill on the couch. So as always, I hope you enjoyed and I hope everyone has a blessed day.